In this video, I'll show you how to back up everything on your Android device. It's a pretty simple process, and it works on most Android phones out there. Let's get right into it. Start from your home screen. Swipe down from the top right corner to open up your control panel. Once that's open, look for the gear icon that's your settings. Go ahead and tap it. Now you're in the settings menu. Scroll down toward the bottom until you find General Management or Systems. It should be somewhere near the end of the list. Tap on that to open it. Inside Systems, scroll down again. You'll see an option labeled Reset. Tap on that. Now you'll see a few different reset options. You can reset all settings, network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or just accessibility settings. And at the very bottom, there's an option to factory reset your phone, which would wipe everything and make it like new again. But before you do any kind of reset, you need to make sure your data is backed up. So head back to the main settings screen and look for Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. From here, you'll see options for cloud backup and external storage. If you don't have an SD card or USB drive handy, you can use the temporary cloud backup option. Samsung Cloud, for example, gives you some free space to work with. Tap on Backup Data. The phone will start scanning for everything it can save: apps, contacts, photos, videos, downloads, you name it. Once the scan is done, you'll see a list of everything available to back up. You can go through and select exactly what you want to keep, or just select all to be safe. When you're ready, hit Backup Now or Update Backup depending on what your phone shows. It might ask about backing up secure folder data. You can choose yes or no based on your preference. Then it'll start preparing and backing up your files. Once the backup is complete, your data is safe. Now you can go back and reset your phone if needed, knowing everything important is stored in the cloud. And that's really all there is to it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.